This is what we're going to be doing for the 4th of July this year. All of these cakes are all fused together to go off in sequence. Back and forth. Back and forth. Then they have this guy, cute little thing, fused together, sparkler. More cakes and tubes, stuff set up to go off. So you light this one fuse here, and the whole thing goes off. And then once that table is done, the fuses go down to this guy. What's that? 20 mortars ready to go off. And then you've got this lovely row of probably about 20 more mortars that are all lined up in sequence, ready to go off. One right after the other. And then halfway through that, at that point, it gets ready to go to do something like this. Giant cakes, just to give you an idea. That's how big these things are. They're huge. Goes and does another cake, plus another 20, angled in different directions, plus these more, those are the ends ones, and then you get the grand finale. End one is 20, that one's probably another 18, oh sorry, those are 15, and then 15. But crazy. That's nuts. And here's everybody else. Abby and Ken's house for the 4th of July. This might become a yearly thing.